Hi guys, weekend's here again. Skoda Fabia VRS. Now I miss my Skoda Fabia VRS. Yeah, pulls like a train. Good cars. This one's in today for some boost pipe modifications. Richard's going to do some handy custom work on it. It's had a sump and it touches and it's going to rub through and things like that. It's a bit dark, so I'll get a torch on that in a minute. We'll show you what we're doing. Morning, Jason.
Hello, Daniel. I didn't want to rip it off on a fucking speed bump, so.
Yeah, it's that's eating the silicon there. I think that's not a joint in the pipe there, is it? I think that's just he's put a piece of silicon there to stop it rubbing.
Because normally it's a pancake pipe.
Yeah, it's a flat pipe, isn't it, normally?
Enough clips on that there.
Yeah, he's got sort of got 2 or 3 clips on each piece. But then again, are the pipes even flared?
Apparently so. Apparently they are flared, but we'll have a look at that when the bumper's off, I guess.
Yeah, it's hard to fuck down that, but usually the ones that blow off are up there, aren't they? Where they come off the side of the turbo because it's got like a real shallow.
Life moves pretty fast.